In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy vectors from PowerPoint to Illustrator. We'll keep this simple and precise, so you can move clean artwork between apps without losing quality. The key idea is that only vector elements transfer cleanly. Vectors are shapes and lines that scale infinitely. Raster images like PNGs or JPGs are made of pixels and won't convert neatly. So start in PowerPoint by making sure your artwork is built from shapes, icons, or SVG graphics. If you inserted icons from PowerPoint's built-in library, those are vector-based. If you brought in an SVG, it's already vector. Avoid pasting or placing PNG or JPG images. Those are fine for presentation visuals, but won't behave like real vectors in Illustrator. Once your artwork is confirmed to be vector, select everything you intend to move. You can drag a selection box around the elements or click individual pieces while holding Shift to add to your selection. Group them with Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac. Grouping keeps all parts locked together, so relative positions, alignments, and spacing don't shift during the transfer. It also makes a single, clean clipboard item that Illustrator can interpret more reliably. With the group selected, copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. That's all you need on the PowerPoint side. Just be sure the group remains selected when you copy, and keep PowerPoint open until the paste is complete. Switch over to Adobe Illustrator and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Depending on your setup and version, Illustrator may present a dialog asking how you want to paste. You might see options like Smart Object, Compound Path, or Grouped Shapes. Smart Object emphasizes preserving appearance as a single unit. Compound Path tends to merge overlapping shapes into a unified path, which can be useful for solid logos, but may reduce editability of individual pieces. Grouped Shapes keeps elements separate within a group, which is often the most flexible choice if you need to tweak fills, strokes, or alignment later. Choose the option that best fits your editing needs. After pasting, your artwork should appear as crisp vectors that you can scale and style without quality loss. If you prepared the elements as shapes or SVGs and grouped them before copying, this workflow is fast, predictable, and preserves the look you built in PowerPoint. That's the full process for copying vectors from PowerPoint to Illustrator while keeping your design clean and editable.